Welcome to the third round of the Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship. Team Petronas TVS Racing was back at the MMRT to bring the fight in the Pro Stock category.
Hey, hold up, man. I got something to say, man. Wait. What y'all out here for, man? What you here for, huh? Does your life matter? Does your life matter? You ready for this? You ready to take control?
Our weekend started strong with Deepak Ravikumar and KY Ahmad posting strong qualifying times and starting in the first and second position in the Pro Stock 301 to 400cc open category. It was an incredible race, and we finished 1-2 in the race, one with KY Ahmad taking first and Deepak taking second.
I won the race in Pro Stock 400 category. This is first win in this season. Really good race. Me and Deepak and Rajendra follow Deepak till last lap. I overtook him in last lap in the C8, picked the checker flag at first place.
Race was really tough. I had an excellent start and I was leading for a couple of laps. I really have to thank Petronas TVS Racing for this wonderful bike.
In race 2, Deepak Ravikumar displayed incredible race pace and was fighting to the very end, losing out to the top step by just a few milliseconds. He finished in second and third respectively. In the Pro Stock 165cc open category, we saw Jagan Kumar come back despite a broken hand. He was determined to give it his all, and boy did it pay off. The team qualifies 3rd, 4th, and 5th on the grid, and in race 1, they had their work cut out for them. KY Ahmad led the charge and kept at the front with an intense last lap battle to finish 3rd, and Deepak Ravikumar 2nd and Jagan Kumar in 4th. In race 2, Deepak Ravikumar lost the front and crashed out. However, KY Ahmad and Jagan Kumar brought the fire. Fighting at the front, he kept his lead and finished on top, and KY Ahmad in 3rd.
It was a very good race for me because I am still in the recovery period, but I'm happy about my performance because I still have my potential.
Overall, it was a strong weekend for us at Petronas TVS Racing, with the team bringing in a consistent set of results. The season, however, is not over. We are at the halfway mark, and we are fueled by fire and bring the battle in the next round. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next round of the Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship.